So the other week, turn this fan off. I took my 2016 Softail Slim S to certain Harley Davidson here in East Tennessee, and was going to get a 20,000 mile service done and also get some new bars put on, some 12-inch bars. And they called me and said there were metal shavings in the oil and the engine, metal shavings in the engine. And the deeper they got, the more it was in there, and basically told me the pushers are bad and need a new motor. So in this box is all the parts, and then the engine's still apart. I just told them to bring it home because they charged me $700 with labor to take it apart and figure out what's going on. That's filled with cloths. So here's my Harley. So I'm thinking you can spend $8,000 on an aftermarket motor because Harley don't make that motor anymore. Or you can get on eBay, and I had some friends tell me you can get on eBay and find a motor. Hope it's okay if it's used. And I figured, well, the bike is probably worth $10,000, $11,000, but I'd probably put $3,000 or $4,000 in it, fixing it up and making it my own. And then I started thinking, the bike's not even worth $10,000, $11,000. So why put that much into it? I may do it later, but in the meantime, I didn't buy another Harley Davidson. I want something a little bit more. I mean, I might have got a lemon. The motor only had 20,000 miles on it, and they're supposed to last 60 to 80,000. I got all the services done. Just left a bad taste in my mouth. So today, brought home this 2025 Gold Wing Bagger. 50th anniversary. Got it at Southern Honda Power Sports. Went to Chattanooga this morning and picked it up. When you talk about a comfortable ride, never ridden a Gold Wing. I already had the ultimate seat on it. They put extra lights on it. Floorboards. Highway pegs, lights there, Healy bars, I believe they call them Healy bars. Got the eyebrows on them. Let me turn this puppy on. Turn the flashers. Ooh. You talk about the smoothest ride. It's like a recliner with a motor in it. I put the windshield up all the way, doing 75, 80, up 75, hit 40, had my visor up on my helmet. Didn't need to stop because I was hurting or back sore. Got that backrest on it. Forgot to tell you, it's got heated seats with the ultimate seat. I guess it comes with heated grips. Pretty much everything. I did get the center stand put on today. I just need to get the engine guard and the bag guards. I guess they're called T-Rex. I talked to the Sonian Burners Up. Talked to him on Facebook Messenger. He got me in contact with Todd down there, the salesperson. If you ever need anybody he'd be the one to go to. Talked to Slappy Adventures, talked to him on the phone. I believe it was Thursday. He was just telling me about, I was asking him about options for the 26 DCT, or should I go with this one with all the fixings on it? Saved me about $6,000 with all the parts. Oh, hell, they put the, I believe it's shark exhaust with the tuner. Put that on there too. So, definitely really happy. Going riding tomorrow. I didn't video anything today, but I got home, got the Apple CarPlay fixed on there, and got my helmet set up. My new helmet. Got it set up, and took the cardo off my old one. Love that helmet. But anyway, maybe one day I'll get that motor rebuilt. It's too good looking of a bike for it to just sit there, but I didn't want to waste time riding, so got something, to me, more dependable and more comfortable. By no means I'm not bashing on Harley Davidson. There's a lot of Harleys out there that last a long time, but I guess I just got a limit. I don't know. It could be something a little bit, might not need a new motor, but just got to find the time and find the money and the right person to do it. So, but anyway, just wanted to make a quick video and going riding tomorrow through the Smoky Mountains, and I'll get some good footage tomorrow and post another video. So, talk to you soon. Peace.